love YouTube. Maybe you're hooked on podcasts, music playlists, or motivational talks. But here's the problem. You turn off your phone screen and boom, YouTube stops. Frustrating, right? Especially when all you want is to listen, not watch. So, the big question is, how can you play YouTube with the screen off? Whether you're on iPhone, Android, or even PC, I've got you covered. And yes, there are ways to do it for free. No premium? No problem. Let's dive into the tricks, tools, and hidden features that let you stream with your screen off. First things first, why does YouTube stop when your screen goes dark? The YouTube app is designed to pause playback when it's not visible. Why? Because YouTube wants you to see the ads and they want you to pay for premium to keep playback going. YouTube Premium costs about $14 a month and it includes background play, downloads, and no ads. But what if you don't want to pay? Well, that's where the browser method comes in. On both iPhone and Android, you can use your browser to outsmart the app. Here's how to do it. Step number 1. Open Chrome or Firefox on your Android or Safari or Chrome on iPhone. Step 2. Head to youtube.com and find the video you want to play. Tap that 3-dot menu and select Desktop Site or Request Desktop Website. This makes YouTube think you are on a computer. Play the video, wait for the app to finish, and then minimize your browser. The audio will stop, but don't panic. Swipe down on Android or open Control Center on iPhone. You will see playback controls. Tap play and boom, the audio starts right where it left off. Lock your phone and now you're listening to YouTube with the screen off. It's that simple and completely free. This trick works great for podcasts, music, lectures, and even ASMR. Now let's talk about Android specifically. Firefox tends to work better for background play than Chrome. And if you're using Chrome, sometimes you have to reopen and reload the page. So don't give up if it doesn't work the first time. iPhone users, this trick works best on Safari or Chrome, but only in desktop mode. Also make sure your control center shows media playback. If it doesn't, go to Settings and allow media control access from the lock screen. Want a smoother experience? Let's talk third-party apps. On Android, apps like Music YouTube and NewPipe let you listen to YouTube with your screen off. MusicTube even lets you log into your account and see subscriptions. NewPipe is open source and has a pop-up mode, background mode, and more. Sounds perfect, right? But hold on, there's a catch. These apps aren't on the Play Store. You'll need to download them from third-party sites, which comes with security risks. Plus, they block ads, which means creators don't get paid. It's a bit of an ethical gray area. Still, they work for now. Now let's talk about the official solution, YouTube Premium. If you're a regular YouTube listener, Premium is smooth, safe, and fully integrated. You can download videos, go ad-free, and background play is on by default. It even enables picture-in-picture on Android and some iPhones. But is it worth $14 a month? It depends. If you watch a ton of content, Premium can save time and frustration. But if you are a casual user, the free browser trick may be all you need. Alright, what about PC and desktop users? Good news, YouTube already runs in the background on PCs. Just open YouTube in your browser, hit play, and minimize the window. Lock your screen or turn off the display. The audio keeps going. Want to save battery? Use power saving mode or turn your laptop lid off if supported. Bonus tip, if you use Windows, enable project to second screen. Second screen only to go fully dark. It's perfect for long work sessions or focused listening. So whether you're on Android, iPhone, or PC, you now have multiple ways to listen to YouTube with your screen off. The browser method is free and easy, Premium is seamless and ad-free. And for the tech-savvy, third-party apps still offer hidden superpowers. Now go ahead, lock your screen, and let the audio play on.